How to fix Snapchat notifications on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix notifications for Snapchat on your Android phone. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, let's say that you're not receiving notifications for Snapchat on your Android phone. It could be due to multiple reasons, and one of the primary reasons is because you have notifications disabled, or most likely you also have do not disturb mode turned on. So simply try to check whether or not you have enabled the focus mode or any type of DND mode that blocks notifications access. So just make sure that is not the case. Once you have turned off your DND mode, just go ahead and open up settings, and as you go to settings, go to the option that says notifications over here. As you go to notifications, you will see all these options. Tap on the more option, and here you want to simply look for the Snapchat application. And in case you don't find Snapchat, again you can use the search box. So you want to make sure that this toggle right next to Snapchat is turned on, because if this is turned off, Snapchat will not receive notifications. You can also simply tap on it, and you want to make sure that it is set to allow sound and vibration and not deliver quietly. After that, you can go to notification categories, and over here you can choose the kind of notifications you want to receive versus the notifications you don't want to receive at all. So you can see all audible, silent and quiet. You can see all notifications, best friend messages, snaps and chats, quiet notifications, silent notifications. By the way, you can go ahead and review the manual. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to copy the same like mine, but I would just recommend you to leave everything to on if you're trying to get notifications to start working on your device. And last but not the least, what you can try to do is just try to go ahead and update the Snapchat apps. So open up your respective app store, and in the search box you want to simply type in Snapchat and make sure you have updated the app to the latest version. If you see an update button there, I would recommend you to tap on it to update it as well. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.